talking about tracing a direct, unbroken line from a dusty, forgotten 1930s basement lab at Stanford University all the way to the artificial intelligence that is quite literally reshaping our world right now. It's a crazy story full of eccentric mechanics, invisible physics, and how solving one silent, highly technical problem completely changed the course of human history.
With that tiny, almost laughable budget, they didn't just build a device. They accidentally invented the university to start up intellectual property model. That is literally the foundational blueprint of Palo Alto and Silicon Valley. The school gave them some basement lab space, unpaid research associate status, and a materials budget of exactly $100. Just $100. In exchange, Stanford secured a 1/2 interest in any resulting patents. What Varian Associates did here is mind-blowing. They established the absolute, undeniable blueprint for Silicon Valley. They kept faculty on the cap table, creating a direct pipeline from university research to commercial production. By setting up in the Stanford Industrial Park, they built this completely frictionless loop where corporate engineers and grad students were literally sharing lunchrooms. Most importantly, they seeded a local workforce with the exact atomic-scale manufacturing skills needed for the upcoming technological revolution.
And this is where our timeline truly hits light speed. The structural principles from that 1937 copper tube form a mathematically unbroken continuum straight to today. And today, those exact same structural principles are driving the cognitive systems of modern AI. Without this exact technology derived directly from the Varian lab, tech giants like Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA simply wouldn't have had the manufacturing infrastructure to print billions of microscopic transistors onto silicon chips. They quite literally printed the digital age. The klystron is so much more than a microwave tube that helped win a war. It proves that a highly focused alliance of academic researchers and gritty mechanics can step onto an unproven frontier and literally rewrite reality. Our modern world was engineered by those who possess the raw, unsentimental audacity to capture the invisible velocities of science.
So the crucial takeaway here is this. We have gone from bunching electrons in a hollow copper room to bunching semantic data in a global neural network. As we push the boundaries of quantum computing and totally new frontiers of AI, what invisible velocities will we capture next to build the foundations of tomorrow?